You ever wonder why you feel so far away from God lately? It's not because He walked away, it's because somewhere along the line, you stopped trusting Him with all of you. Proverbs says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding." But let's be real. You've been leaning on your own plan, your own timeline, and your own way, and that's why the distance feels so heavy. We all say we trust God, but the second life doesn't match our picture, we grab the wheel from Him. We pray for peace, and then we stress ourselves out trying to fix everything. We pray to God for direction, but then we take the path that feels safest to us. And when the walls start to close in, that's when we whisper to God, "Where are you?" But maybe He's been there the whole time, we just stopped walking with Him. That verse from Proverbs doesn't say trust God with some of your heart, it says all of it. That means your plans, fears, relationship, money, your future, because all of it's His. But when we lean more on our understanding, we put more trust in our own logic than His wisdom, and we build a wall in between us and Him. And that wall isn't made of bricks, it's made of control. And the more we try to run our own life, the more it feels like God is missing. But the truth is, we just stopped letting God lead. If you feel far from God today, you don't need 1,000 steps to get back to Him. You need just one, and that's to let it go. But if you were to pray this simple prayer of, "God, I don't understand everything right now, but I trust you more than I trust me," then with every decision, big or small, you were to pause and ask God, "What do you want me to do right now?" That is how you close the distance, one surrendered choice at a time. God hasn't moved and He hasn't turned His back on you. He's just waiting for you to take your hands off the wheel so He can take you where you were meant to go. If this hit home for you today, share it with somebody you think needs to hear it. And remember, the closer you trust, the closer you'll feel to God.